To me cool, I'm right back, I'm a fool, I'm a dog, I'm a beast, what we do? Many gon' talk, many gon' hate, numbers don't lie, I've been on rage, raising my stock, demons I block, this is for God, I got a whole block on hitting on the stereo. Came up, mama heard me on the radio. Came up on the rise, I've been tripping, bro. Oh, ain't nobody taking over, this my county, bro. Yeah, be a god to my feet, yeah, the armor complete. On the wave with my fleet, this a day, we gon' bleed, yeah. I've been on a switch, try to cut my
Here live in Southeast Miami, we're at the Break the Code event with Alex Morton. I'm about to hit the stage next. Rob Dyrdek just finished and he blew up the house. It's my turn. Let's go.
I'm a Latino and strong. Biddy bum bum. Let it talk, let it talk, let it talk.
Hi everybody, my name is Shannon Becerra. My story is just, that I'm a product of adversity. I feel like adversity has been chasing my entire life, and I've been chasing success my entire life. Starting at an early age, at 8 years old, I started working, knocking on doors, washing cars, doing yard work. And my brother and I just made it a point to start working when we were kids to help my mom pay the bills. We worked 3 jobs a day. I was a janitor, I worked at Exxon gas station, I worked at Applebee's. And I'd run my ass to the BART station to catch the last train or bus home. And if I missed it, I slept in the bathroom. Paid my way through a private high school, got a full-ride scholarship to go to college in Southern California. But I got involved in network marketing at 26 years old. In my first 8 months, became the youngest millionaire in my company and just crushed it. And over the last 15 years, I built a business of over 2 million people in 155 countries. I moved from that right side of the quadrant, from big business owner into investor. I focus on investing now. We're finding investments. Started a Web3 company, helped Spartan, a $400 million company, just launched a $40 million NFT, launched a ton of NFTs, and it's just the beginning. Just getting started, guys. But my hope is that I'm just a testament to all of you guys out there that are just going through it. Keep going through it because it gets better.
Yeah, I put that thing in a toaster. Yeah, I'ma do it on poster. She tryna run with it. She tryna run with a coaster. I got that cup in the holster. I took it off. Blood in the cup and it's kosher. She tryna run in my clip. I got a double the switch. I got Nintendo rounds and I got it ready to hit. They try to play.
All right, that's it, guys. I just left the stage. All the code breakers were on the stage giving all their nuggets for this event here in Miami. Hopefully you guys will learn a ton from it, and stay tuned for more.
Hey, someone with that heat.